This is a re-review of a porta potty here at Emerald Drive, Emerald Isle, North Carolina, that was used for the construction of this new welcome center. It's been a number of months since I filmed this same porta potty, so let's go check it out, see how it looks now months later. This building's almost finished. A lot of traffic out here today. We have a beer bottle down here. So someone had some beer while they were in the porta potty, apparently. We have some graffiti. Doesn't smell all that great. Got some more graffiti. I think this was a soap dispenser, which is now gone. And looks like it was last cleaned June 15th. Today is June 20th. We have 1.5 roll of toilet paper. And one right here. Urinal looks filthy. Let's go check out the outside. It's pretty hot in here too. A down east. A little bashed in on this side. Sitting on skids. All in all, kind of give it a medium thumbs up. Not bad for being here that long. Looks like they've kept it fairly clean. And this welcome center will be open very soon.